Want to know how to swap first and last elements of an array in Java? So if you want to swap just simply the first element and last element, so we have created this into the array right here, and we have 10 and 50 on first and last. So if you want to swap it and create 50 as 10 and 10 as 50, we just use this small feature right here. So we simply start by storing the element in a temporary variable. We assign the last element to the first position, and once that is done, we assign the temporary value to the last position. Finally, print the array to see the swap. So that's it. We have just used this small formula right here, and these two lines are really important. So these basically make the entire code, and that's it. Once that is done, you simply print out the code and save the results, and you're good to go. And as you can see right here, the results has been printed as well. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.